Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to access the download mode on this phone. So starting off, you want to power off the phone, hold the power key, and then select power off, as you can see right here, once more, and wait for the device to shut off. Now, as that is happening, you want to also get ready a USB Type-C cable that came with your device and plug it into your computer. So I have it ready here and it's plugged into the computer. And then you want to hold volume up and down, both together. So I'm gonna hold them here. And while you're holding volume up and down, you want to plug in the cable. And as you can see, you will get this message here. I can unplug it, it's not needed anymore. Basically a warning message. And to continue to download mode, it says to press volume up and volume down to cancel. You can see here. So tap on volume up, and now we are in the download mode. And you also get a message, volume down key and power key for more than 7 seconds to basically restart the device. So if you want to leave this mode, you will just hold volume down and power key both together for more than 7 seconds, and the phone will reboot. Okay, and now it should reboot. And we're back in the normal Android. So that is basically how you access the download mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.